Stop treating network problems as one-off fixes. Network support from Thrivion keeps your business connected, stable, and ready to grow. Minimize downtime with 24/7 monitoring, a 6-minute average response time, 60-minute on-site assistance, and proactive optimization. Complete network assessments uncover risks and gaps, while a prioritized improvement roadmap helps guide smarter IT decisions. Integrated network security controls and compliance-ready risk management help reduce risk and strengthen your environment. Comprehensive network documentation improves visibility, supports faster troubleshooting, and simplifies ongoing management. Trusted by businesses with a 98% CSAT rating, 96% client retention, and proven support for more than 45 companies. See why clients choose our network support for faster resolutions, proactive guidance, reliable performance, and peace of mind. Take control of your network with Thrivion. Contact us today and discover a smarter approach to network support.